Good day, sir.
I am Raymond Lofranco.
And I'm Ryan J. L. Miller. We're performing Building Personal Resilience.
Video blog interview style.
What is one challenging experience you've overcome in the past years?
One challenging experience I overcame last year was adjusting to heavy to school workloads while dealing with stress and pressure from deadlines. And how about you?
One challenge I experienced was feeling homesick and stressed while adjusting to school demands. What personal qualities or strategies you get through it?
Personal qualities or strategies that help me. I stayed patient, managed my time better, and asked help from my classmates when I felt overwhelmed. And how about you?
Personal qualities or strategies that help me I stay positive, fair, and keep myself motivated by focusing on my goals.
What you've learned about yourself?
I learned that I'm stronger than I thought and I can handle pressure if I stay calm and focused. How about you?
I learned that I can adapt to difficult situations and continue moving forward. What are the current sources of stress in your life?
My current sources of my stress are academic requirements, exam, and balancing rest and school responsibilities. And how about you?
My current stress comes from activities, performance, expectations, and lack of sleep.
What support or strategies might help you cope better?
Having enough sleep, proper planning, emotional support from friends can help me cope better. And how about you?
Better times management, enough rest, and talking to friends or family can help me cope better.
This is our mini resilience plan.
To each other.
What is your one personal strength to remember?
Adaptability and positive mindset. How about you?
Patience and determination. What is your one positive affirmation?
I am capable of overcoming challenges. How about you?
I can handle challenges one step at a time.
What one resilience strategy to try this week?
Practicing talking to someone when feeling stressed. How about you?
Take short break and organize tasks using daily schedule.
That's all.
Thank you.
For watching.